Hello pips, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will talk about another cryptocurrency called Steem. And Steem is another blockchain, so it's not like Bitcoin, that allows you to reward publishers for content. And I will give an example of one platform built on top of Steem called d.tube that is more or less like YouTube but decentralized. So if you go to d.tube, basically it's a very simple website just like YouTube, and to be able to log in to upload content you need to have an account on the Steem blockchain. I already have an account, so I will use my personal account. I actually wanted to create another account just for the purpose of this channel. Just like on YouTube I have my personal channel and I have this channel where I do these cryptocurrency videos, but it's taking a long time to get the accounts created because they are created manually. So I will just use my personal account to demonstrate how d.tube works. For you to be able to log in to d.tube, you need to use your Steem username and your private posting key. The private posting key, for you to be able to get it, you need to log in at steemit.com, which is the website that you use once you create the account. And in your wallet, you will see that you have a private posting key. And this is let's say the password that you need to log into Steemit. So after logging in, you'll be able to upload videos. So what I'm going to do now is to upload a video to Steemit, and I will explain a little bit of what's going on here. So to upload, it's very simple. This would be just like the YouTube interface. And now I have to drop a file and click to start upload. So I dropped a video here, and now it's uploading. So I have to wait while the video uploads. And what I'm going to explain now is one of the disadvantages of using a centralized system like YouTube is that you are constrained to the rules that they apply. For example, in the case of YouTube, for you to be able to monetize your video, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 views, and 4,000 minutes of watch time. Until you reach this point, you will not be able to monetize your channels, which means that you don't get any money from your content. If there would be a way to somehow decentralize YouTube and reward the publishers in some way, this would be really helpful, because if you just create a new channel, you can immediately start monetizing it. And this is exactly what d.tube does on top of the Steem blockchain. So if users like your video, you'll be rewarded with Steem, which is the cryptocurrency. So basically, people are actually paying to perform a like. And this actually helps the network a lot, the whole d.tube space, let's say, because you would only be willing to pay to perform a like if the content is actually good, because why would you waste money liking something that is not good? And this allows the system itself, the network, to, let's say, heal itself and to usually show good content. And so the network helps to curate itself using this, what they call proof of brain system. So I will not talk about the technical details in this video about how d.tube works, because it's a little bit advanced. If you want to research a little bit about it, it uses a protocol called IPFS. And I will cover this in a future video, but right now I just want to explain you one possible usage of a cryptocurrency that you can use today, that you can use to get money from your content. And you would be able, for example, to convert this Steem into fiat money. So you would be able to monetize your videos. So while you are uploading the video, you can fill the title, the description, just like on a normal YouTube video. And once this is done, I will explain you a little bit more about how this works. So after the video is uploaded, you will start seeing these bars here saying adding source to IPFS, creating sprite, and it will encode the video also in a different resolution. And once this is done, your video is ready, and you can then upload a snap, which is, let's say, the thumbnail for the video, and then you can submit the video. And your video will be available on the IPFS network. And for the normal user, it will be completely transparent. So you just access d.tube and you can just play a video just like on YouTube. So the underlying network for you, it's totally transparent. The fact that this is a distributed system doesn't matter to you. And also the fact that there is a blockchain involved is also completely transparent. And this is one of the beauties of the Steem network, or the Steem blockchain, let's say, is because you are using a normal web app that uses all this infrastructure behind and you don't even realize. So one thing that will happen if you use YouTube, for example, your video will be stored on Google servers. And you don't care how many servers they use, where your video is actually stored, but you know that this video belongs to YouTube or to Google, but let's say YouTube. And what happens is if you use IPFS, this video will be stored on the computer of someone out there that is willing to share their hard drive to store your video. And it's very interesting to see that some people are willing to enter this network to be able to provide this completely decentralized d.tube experience. So now that our video is uploaded, we need to upload a snap. I will actually use the thumbnail from my YouTube video. So now I'm uploading the thumbnail. And now I'm ready to submit. So congratulations, your video is now on dtube. You can use this link to share your video. So let's try using this link to actually see the video. So as you can see, it takes a while to start playing, because as you can see here, this is using a torrent protocol to be able to download the video. And it says here, keep this page open on your browser for seeding the video. So basically I'm helping to seed this video. I'm sending this video to other users. I can explain in a future video how torrents work, because it's quite interesting concept. And once the video has enough seeds, it will just play quickly. And you can see here that I have $0 made with this video. And depending on people liking or disliking the video, I will either get money or not get money. So if I want to watch the video, just click watch your video and it just starts playing. I hope you liked this video. This was just a very simple introduction of how you can use dtube, which is a web app built on top of the Steem blockchain, and IPFS and torrent that you can use to monetize your content. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. It was a very simple introduction about dtube, which is kind of a clone of YouTube but decentralized. And it's one way that you can use your own content to get rewarded in a cryptocurrency called Steem. And if you have any questions, please drop me a comment in the section below, and I would be really happy to read your comments and to reply and maybe explain something that wasn't so clear. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are always notified of upcoming videos. I try to record videos very regularly, and from now on I will also upload my videos to Steem, which also helps other people to get engaged into blockchain-based, or let's say cryptocurrency-based platforms that you can use on a day-to-day basis. So thanks for watching, and more good stuff coming soon.